Regular grammar transition diagram. Introduction to regular grammar. Regular grammar, a formal grammar used to define regular languages. Production rules, used to generate strings by applying rules to a start symbol. Types. Right linear, non-terminal appears on the right. Left linear, terminal appears on the left. Regular grammar example define a language of strings consisting of any number of A's followed by exactly one B. Production rules A to A's, S to B. Explanation. The grammar generates strings like B, AB, AAB, and etc. Regular grammar as transition diagram states Q0 start state, reading A's. Q1 accepting state after reading B. Transitions. From Q0 on A, stay in Q0. On B, move to Q1. The final state is Q1. This is the diagram. Q0 to Q0, the input is A. Q0 to Q1, the input is B. Q1 to Q0, the input is AB. And the Q1 is the final state. That's all.